The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue the special military operation. With high-precision weapons, the Russian aerospace forces targeted the workshops of the Kommunar defense enterprise, destroying the head parts for the Ukrainian anti-ship missiles Neptune produced at the enterprise. In the Kupiansk direction, the enemy made a failed attempt to launch an offensive against Kuzemovka of Lugansk People's Republic. More than 20 personnel, 1 tank, 1 armored personnel carrier and 3 cars were annihilated by Russian troops when they repelled the attack. In Krasny Liman direction, with forces up to a battalion tactical group, the enemy attempted to attack the Russian positions in the direction of Chervona Popovka and Novovodinoye of Lugansk People's Republic, with 2 reinforced companies. All enemy attacks have been repulsed. More than 80 Ukrainian personnel were neutralized, as well as 6 tanks, 4 armored fighting vehicles and 5 pickup trucks of the armed forces of Ukraine. In the South Donetsk direction, the enemy forces of 2 company tactical units attacked the positions of Russian troops in the direction of Balka-Salonia and heights near Vremivka. The enemy suffered losses of 25 Ukrainian personnel, 2 tanks, 3 infantry combat vehicles and 2 cars before being scattered by artillery fire. In the Nikolaev-Kryvyi Rog direction, the enemy attempted to breach the Russian troops' defenses by sending up to 2 battalion tactical groups in the direction of Pedikatki, Sukhanovo, Sablukovka, Bezvodnoye, Ruskinskoye and Pravdino in Kherson region. The Russian troops successfully repulsed all the attacks. The enemy was driven back to their original positions. More than 130 Ukrainian personnel, 2 tanks, 9 armored fighting vehicles and 13 cars were neutralized. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery strikes hit 3 Ukrainian command posts close to Kupiansk in Kharkov region and the city of Zaporozhye, as well as 72 artillery units at firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 183 areas. 3 ammunition depots near Novaya Kamenka in Kherson region and the city of Zaporozhye, 2 weapon and military equipment storage facilities close to Torskoye of Donetsk People's Republic, and the storage facility for the combined group of the Ukrainian troops, known as Dnepr, close to the city of Zaporozhye, were eliminated. Moreover, an oil terminal storing 56,000 tons of diesel fuel for the Ukrainian combined group of forces, known as Dnepr, was destroyed close to Alexeyevka in Dnepropetrovsk region. Operational tactical aviation of the Russian aerospace forces has shot down 1 MiG-29 of the Ukrainian Air Force near Peremoga in Nikolaev region. 6 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles were shot down by the Russian air defense systems in the settlement areas Novonikanorovka of Lugansk People's Republic, Zelony Gai, Vladimirovka and Nikolskoye of Donetsk People's Republic, and Tyaginka in Kherson region. Moreover, 24 projectiles of the HIMARS, Olha and Smerch were intercepted over the settlements of Antonovka, Olgovka, Dmitrenko, Novaya Kakhovka in Kherson region, Irmino, Opasnaya and Novonikolskoye in Lugansk People's Republic, as well as 3 US HARM high-speed anti-radiation missiles. In total, 325 airplanes and 162 helicopters, 2,308 unmanned aerial vehicles, 383 air defense missile systems, 5,967 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 874 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,516 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 6,709 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.